Hi, everyone, and welcome to week 2. I hope that you're all adjusting well in this online class. Please let me know if you have any question about the materials that we covered last week in chapter 1. And also, if you have any question navigating through D12 or Connect, I'm here to help you. Just let me know. Monday is Labor Day, don't forget, but I am going to share this video and also my weekly email with you on Sunday this week because some of you might be off and want to start getting ready for this week. So today is Friday that I'm recording this video, but you can definitely start working on week 2 materials if you want to. And this week we're going to study chapter 2. Chapter 2 is about different economic systems that we have. And I'd like to point out that we're following the textbook and the classification of the textbook for different economic systems that we have. But if you look into other textbooks, you might see other ways of classifying or other names for classifying economic systems, but we are going to follow our textbook, and in our textbook we only have 3 economic systems. Okay, but I just wanted to let you know the big part of chapter 2 is about circular flow, which is towards the end of this chapter. So I want you to pay attention to the assumptions for the circular flow. And if you look at the weekly modules, week 2 on D12, I put it actually separately for you because I believe that the textbook is not really that clear about the assumptions that we're making for these closed economy circular flow. So I want you actually to go over those assumptions before you start looking into the circular flow. And this is a model that tells you basically how the basic economy works, how goods and services, resources are circulating in the economy, how money basically circulates in the economy. So when you study, I definitely want you guys to draw the circular flow for yourself one more time, just to make sure you know the components, how the circular flow basically works. And remember, when we talk about GDP in chapter 7, we're going to come back to this circular flow model. And instead of looking the closed economy version, which is in chapter 2, we're going to look into the open economy and more realistic circular flow model. So you definitely need to understand the circular flow in chapter 2 because we need this to define different components of GDP, gross domestic product, in chapter 7. So you will see more complete version of circular flow in chapter 7. You have a homework from chapter 1 and 2. Remember, homework number 1 is from chapter 1 and 2. After studying chapter 2 this week, you should be able to answer all the questions in homework number 1. And our homework is due on September 12th, so do not miss it. Hopefully, you guys are able to buy the book as soon as possible. I saw that some of you started using the 14 days free trial, which is absolutely okay, but just make sure that you purchase the access code as soon as you have the money. I know that you're waiting for financial aid or whatever, but as soon as you have the money, purchase it because you don't want to miss the homework. And remember, all the exams will be also on Connect, so you definitely need to buy the access code. We still do not have any discussion this week. The very first discussion on discussion board will be open on September 12th. So still you do not have anything to do for discussions. Please let me know if you have any question about chapter 1, chapter 2, about the class, about the syllabus. I'm here to help you. And I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.